Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this boxed wood panels that I think they're great for creating a really nice atmosphere, like for example an Instagram place or a social media place or something like that. I really like that. So each one of this, you're gonna see that these are super lightweight. So you can see each one of this is a 16 by 12. So you can see it up close right there. It has a really nice interlocking mechanism right here that you can attach each one of them on top of the other one. So it's easier for you to create kind of like that square shape or rectangle or like an S shape or something like that. And right here in each one of the sides has a hole, so you can actually put nails or screws against the fence, against the wall. In my case, we're gonna put it in the against the fence. We're gonna kind of like want to create like a rectangle shape, and then we're gonna put like a neon light saying like good vibes or summer place or patio yard or something like that. Some kind of like really cool for people to take photos there when we're doing social gatherings or things like that. So you can see one more time right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually put each one on top of them. Actually, you know what, let's just do it. It's super nice and easy. You can see that this is the only thing you need to do. Just put this bracket and the hole on each one of this, and that's it. These are ready to go. So I have 3 already. So this is kind of like the final shape of it. You know, this looks really cool. I mean, we're gonna put the neon light right here again, like saying like patio or just like summer vibes or something like that. So you can actually grab a place to take photos with friends, family, and just have this backdrop with the neon light that looks really cool. So this is kind of like 16 square feet, kind of like with this 12 and 16. So this is how much you can do. You can do a square shape, you can do this kind of like rectangle, horizontal, vertical, or just like an S shape or something like that. But I think we're gonna get some more and kind of like complete this shape right here on the sides and probably extend it to that side as well. I think it's really cool. I like it. I think it's a nice thing to have in your patio for photos and friends and family and things like that. I do recommend it. Super easy to assemble and looks kind of cool, kind of like vibrant too. I like it. I do recommend it with a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.